Okay, so what we're going to be doing on this one, obviously when you're using ClickFunnels, you'll get your own ClickFunnels address, which will look something like that. It'll be whatever your username is, clickfunnels.com, and then you can give it a different title at the back. To change these titles, because they can be a bit ugly, you go to the page. No, you don't. I'm talking rubbish. Come out of the page. What you do is you come up here to publishing. Click on publishing. And here you can give it a name. And as you can see, the path here, so I'll change that to this is more what that page is about. Discount. Observatory roofing discount. Update funnel step. There you go. So now you can send people direct to this one. Alternatively, you might want to add your own domain name so you can have it relevant to your business. So to do that, come up to where your account settings are up here and click on account settings. Down the side here, go into domains. And here you can add a domain. As you can see, I've got quite a few in here. So you click on add new domain. Now you have a choice. Register a new domain and everything works direct in ClickFunnels. Or if you already have a domain that you want to use, you can go to here to use an existing domain. So a little bit on that. If you use an existing domain, what you have to do is go in and add a CNAME record. Now the instructions are in here when you go through. So you would put in what your new one is. So if it was a subdomain, you would have observatory at rgwindows.com. So that would be your actual business name there. Your website as it is, set up a subdomain, and then you could just have conservatory, Windows, discount, whatever one you want to attach to the actual thingy, the actual sales page there. Okay, you can do that as many times as you want, and literally all you do once that is set up in your hosting, you just go into your hosting, find your DNS zone settings, and you can just put CNAME record in, and it will point it to here. If you have any issues, just contact your service provider and they will show you how to do it. Alternatively, you just go register a new domain. You can come in, you book a domain, so you purchase a domain for $20, I think it is. But the great thing is there, it stays in ClickFunnels, and then you can add as many subdomains to that one as you want. So you choose the initial domain, so we'll go create.rg. Just making this up, it's not a real place.com. Archie Windows is available, so if you have a business called that, great. You go through here, purchase, buy that for $20. But you can then set up subdomains within, so you can create as many pages as you want. So once you've done that, you've got your domain name now. It will then appear here in your domain list. And what will happen first of all, this will show as unverified. So you would literally click 3 little dots, go into edit, and it will ask you just click here to verify, and it will do the connections, make sure everything's working properly. You can put in an error page if you want them to go somewhere else. You can set it up to go back to another website or wherever. Edit your zone records. This is where you can go in and actually create your subdomains. And you can also get free SSL. So with this, you're in your domain name, expand, you click on that, and it will just say, do you want to add the SSL? Click OK, boom, leave it a couple of hours, and it'll add SSL, so everything's nice and secure for you. And that really is as simple as it is. Get in there, do that. And then once you've got your domain name set, you go back to your funnel, and it's either in publishing or settings. We'll have a quick look. Go settings, emergency domain name. Here, COS domain, you would literally click on there and choose which one you want to use. It's as simple as that. Okay, so you just click on it, boom, and that's done. And that will link it in, so then when people type in whatever your website name is, they will be taken straight to the front page of your sales funnel, and then you can send them through the funnel, collecting emails, information as you go. Okay, if you find that you don't want the funnel anymore, and you think, no, I don't want that, when you're in your funnel area, I'll just show you, you have these headings across the top, archived. Nothing gets deleted from ClickFunnels, it just gets sent to archives. Okay, so what you would do, I don't want emergency roofer anymore. You would come down, go to your settings, and you scroll right down to the bottom of the page, and you can archive the funnel. Click archive the funnel, save and update the settings, and that will move it into your archives. That will then take it off the number of the funnels that you actually have active. You might need to log out and log back in to see it make the adjustments, but it does allow you to keep creating stuff, archive it when you don't want it. If you do decide later on, actually I do want that, or you go for the full package where you've got unlimited funnels, you can click on it and it will come back into your actual funnel area, so you can then work on it and do what you want with it. Okay, so that's a very quick whistle-step tour of using ClickFunnels. We've covered integrating GetResponse, setting up a Zap so you get the information, how to design your actual funnels and how to do that, and then finally how to add a domain name to your funnel. So that's it for this element of the training. So I hope you enjoyed it. All you need to do now is start running adverts or sending traffic to your funnel, get them in the process, and you'll start generating leads and money. Okay then, so I hope you've enjoyed that, and I shall see you soon.